going to be making today's Sami.
My super special salad recipe!
Here are all the ingredients. First, let's wash the lovely green lettuce. Swish, swash, swish, swash. And add it to the salad bowl. Cut the dark green cucumber. Slice, 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 slice. And add it to the salad bowl. Cut one tomato. Squirt, squirt, squirt. And add it to the salad bowl. Add bell pepper. What color would you like, Lulu? Well, we already have green cucumber and lettuce and red tomatoes. But there's no orange! Crunch, 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 crunch. And add it to the salad bowl. Cut green spring onions. Slice, 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 slice. And add it to the salad bowl. Add half an avocado. This is my favorite, by the way. A ripe avocado is brown on the outside and delicious green on the inside. Slice, 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 slice. And add it to the salad bowl. Also add some green olives. Get a sour yellow lemon and squeeze. Add a sprinkle of salt. Add a spoon of olive oil. And a spoon of red wine vinegar. And top with some crunchy croutons. Yay! Good job! Thank you for teaching me how to make your delicious salad. I can spot many colors: green, orange, and red. That's right, Lulu. Well done! Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
And make sure you like the video.